Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for subscribing. Please like this video, leave a comment down below. I'm just here taking some photos right now, so I'll just show you guys a view. I'm here with Jordan actually. Jordan from Mustang Motoring, this Mustang Ecoboost, and I brought my car along this time. So, whew. This is Mustang. We got me car all the way over here. And he is about to try something. And there you go, folks. Blew my eardrums out. That was loud. That was loud. Woo. Woo, that was loud. Yeah, I was not expecting that.
Goodness.
I was not expecting that.
I'm like, how long can I hold this for?
It sounds so good. You can hear the turbo from the exhaust.
That's what I was looking for.
Like it sounds, I can hear it right now. Like you just. This car is a monster. That's why they call it Monster Motoring. Go follow it. Monster Motoring IG. Monster Motoring on YouTube. Follow the build.
But we can do.
Okay, guys, so I'm headed back home. I'm gonna hop in a whip and let's get it. How do you think that sounded?
Nice.
Sounded nice? That's what I like to hear, guys. I'll see you guys back in a couple minutes. Peace. It's like I'll give you guys some revs. Alright, see you guys later. Peace.
Where?
You don't have to sit so close.
But it won't focus.
It'll focus, but just back up. Okay. Oh, your seat's back. He's not gonna go faster with the phone.
So should I stop recording?
Damn it. Bloopers. Here's my honey buns. Let's go, baby! You can turn it off. Alright guys, so today was a good night, long night. And we just got finished doing a photo shoot. So I'm gonna head back home and edit this video as we speak. And see you guys, peace. And leave a like, subscribe, do everything. See ya. This man. Jordan at Monster Motoring, Instagram, YouTube, go follow it. See you.